Welcome to El Centro de Guadalajara in Jalisco, Mexico. We are currently in the city center of the second largest city in Mexico. We were here running some errands and we're gonna show you guys around. Welcome to Entrepreneur Expat. On this channel, we talk all about living in other countries as American expats, making money online, and doing business overseas. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that we have coming out on this channel. And if you're interested in Mexico specifically, make sure to download our Moving to Mexico guide below so that you can enjoy these amazing cities, the beaches, the deserts. Mexico's got something for everybody, so make sure to download that below. Okay, so we are starting at one end of the pedestrian walkway in El Centro. Back there at the end, that's where you can go find the famous Orozco murals. Very highly recommend doing that if you get a chance. There's also really cool art installations outside of that building, and this is the errand we had to run today. If you are either looking for jewelry, like we were looking for our wedding bands for our wedding, or if you need to get jewelry fixed, El Centro's the place for you here. We have El Centro Joyero San Juan de Dios. The minute you walk in, it's literally like 3 floors of jewelers. They are amazing. It's high quality stuff at really good prices. And then behind us, we actually have this fountain installment here, which I was learning on another YouTube video, but tapatíos, which is what people from Guadalajara call themselves. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but my understanding from what I have seen is that that is actually a fountain that represents the snake god. Tapatíos, correct me if I'm wrong, but that is what I saw on YouTube. It's a very interesting modern fountain installment. And then we're gonna start heading down that way, and by the end of it, we're gonna get to the famous cathedral and we're gonna show it to you guys.
raíces de nuestra tierra, el tequila.
Y es en sus plazas y callejones donde el mariachi es la alma de nuestro pueblo.